just got back from the gym and started off my morning going there, but I wanted to do a little unboxing for you guys of some things that I had just ordered like last week or something like that. I'm so excited because they're bathing suits and then phone cases, and I haven't bought a bathing suit in years. I think it's been like 4 years since I last bought a bathing suit, so I'm really excited for these because they're actually good quality. And I was asking my friend Tasha, who knows all about bathing suits, what her like favorite brands are, and I used to borrow a lot of them when we went to Fiji together. I like literally lived in all of her bathing suits. I felt so bad, but I was asking her like the brands of the bathing suits that I wore, and I was like looking back at my old Fiji pictures and like seeing the companies that I tagged to see what bathing suits I liked. But oh my gosh, these are like teeny tiny. When you look at them, they are so little. So I got this red bathing suit from ARC. All of this is from ARC swimwear. I'm also waiting on 2 more bathing suits from Frankie's Bikinis because they were having 70% off on Cyber Monday, so I got that. But this is the red bathing suit. Yeah, it's like higher, sits higher on the hips. This looks like a little doll's bikini. Like, it looks so tiny. So we'll see how that fits with, I think, the same style bottoms. Yeah. And then this black one literally looks like a thong, but whatever, I guess. That's fine with this black top bikini. So I'm just going to try it on right now and see how it all looks. And then I also got this phone case from Casetify. This phone case from Casetify, which is a mirror. And at first I was like, oh my gosh, this mirror is so distorted, but it's only because there's a protective, what is it called? Like sleeve on it? No, what's it called? Screen? I don't know. And then I changed my phone case to this one. So I really, really like it. They're from Casetify. I'm actually doing a video with them, but I love this case and I was so excited for it to come in. It just feels really, really thin and sleek. This is the first bathing suit. Whenever you put on bathing suits, I feel like it looks a lot, like it looks so much smaller when it's not on your body, and then once it's on your body, it's like way more normal. So this is the first one. I really like it. I'll also have all the ones that I bought down below, but I love the top and just like the fabric of this I really like, and that's why I've been trying to buy like better quality bathing suits, just because all my bathing suits are so old and they're from like not good quality places. Like some of them are from Forever 21, which is fine. I have a few from like Zaful and Shein, which it's like hit or miss. Some of them I really like, but I don't know, it was time to get new bathing suits. They were also very like overworn. So yeah, this is the first one. It's higher, it like sits higher on your hips, so I do like this, and I don't have a red bathing suit. Okay, here is that other one. This one, I feel like these straps are literally about to break. Like, they just feel so fragile, so I hope that they're not actually that fragile, but they just like feel like they are about to pop off. But I don't know, I really like this one. I think it's really cute. The only thing is with these bathing suits, they don't have padding, so keep that in mind. But I still really like them. This is the one I wore in Fiji. I borrowed Tasha's, so I knew how the top was gonna fit, but I love the color. I think the color is so pretty. Like, I really like the more like not neutral, because this obviously isn't neutral, but like the more like toned down bathing suits, because I feel like when you think of bathing suits you think of like hot pink and like aqua and all of these like really bright colors, but like I really like the more like toned down colors, I guess, like colors that I would wear every day. The bottoms are the same for this one, but I really like this one. I think it's cute. I just feel like the straps are about to break, so I hope that they're not. And then like the back of the top is like really teeny. What are your thoughts on it? And then this is the last bathing suit. It's a classic black bathing suit, which I desperately needed. So this one is really cute. It's more of like that scoop neck look, which I really like. And then the bottoms, these are a little more cheeky, definitely. So the back, it's like straight up like a thong, I swear. I like more like of the cheeky bathing suits for just like tanning, and I think they just like look better on me, but they are definitely a little risque. So I'm gonna have these linked down below if you guys want them. And then if you guys like any of these, or tell me which one your favorite is. I think my favorite is, I don't know, I honestly like all of them. They're all pretty similar, but yeah, I like all of them. So I'm excited to go to Mexico. So I'm actually going to, well, I'm going to Florida in December, and then I'm going to probably Florida again in January, and then I'm also going to Mexico in February for Jess's bachelorette party, which I'm so excited for. Bachelorette trip, I should say. So if you guys know Jessica Howell, I'm one of her bridesmaids, and I'm so excited, and we're going to Mexico, and it's just going to be the most fun ever. So I bought these like mainly for that, because I knew that we would be taking like lots of pictures and stuff, and I just like needed new bathing suits. Eating breakfast, we made 2 eggs. I put a bunch of hot sauce on it. Toast with butter, coffee. I'm running so low on groceries, so we are definitely gonna go to Trader Joe's today. About to record a podcast. I'm recording it with Kelsey, and she's a business coach and a life coach, and I think her episode will be really interesting. I really want to join like a podcast network or something, because I just want to have a studio, or maybe I should just join a studio, but I feel like if I join a podcast network, then I don't have to pay per month. I just pay like my ad fees, kind of like having a manager, which my manager does do my ads also for my podcast, which is awesome, but I want like to have a studio that I can go in all the time, because the Wing has a podcast studio, but it's $65 each time I use it. And then also there is Spotify, which is great because it's free, so that is so nice because it's totally and completely free. But the thing about Spotify is that it's not like I have access to it every single time. It's like by appointment, and you kind of have to book it in advance, and I mean I don't want to rely that much on someone else's time, I guess. No, because I'm always gonna have to rely on someone else's time, but you know, like I don't want to, I don't know, it's not mine, it's not like they owe me something or anything like that. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm trying to see if there's any like podcast studios that do maybe like a monthly membership or something like that. I'm gonna try looking into that, because I did before and then I was like, no, the Wing has a studio, so I'll just use that. But I don't know if I want to pay every single time I use it. I don't know. I don't think in New York City I'm gonna find something better than 65 bucks a time, so we will see. But that's my dilemma, because my room right now is a little bit, it can be loud sometimes, and it's very unpredictable. And yes, this mic is good, but it's not the best, so I don't know. I'm looking for something a little higher quality now, because I'm actually starting to make money off my podcast now, which is nice. So I'm like starting to do more ads and having just more listeners, so I'm getting paid more because Anchor does dynamic ads. So I just want to kind of step it up, because I'm getting actually like an income from it. I'm like, okay, now I can actually like spend some money on a podcast studio. I don't know. If you guys know of anything, let me know. Hi, Kelsey. Thank you so much for being on my podcast.
Hi, Natalie. Thanks so much for having me here. It's such an honor.
I'm so excited to have you on. I feel like this podcast is going to be so helpful to so many listeners. Just got done recording. This is the setup. I just hate how loud my room is, so I hope that you guys cannot hear that. So I'm going to be on a mission to find a podcast. Do you hear that? Like, that is so loud. Find a podcast studio. That's my mission. Hear this outside my window? Okay guys, I'm vlogging on my iPhone because feeling lazy here. I went to see Trevor Noah tonight and it was so good. He is just like so nice. I went to see James Corden live in LA and he didn't like speak to his audience at all, and I felt like he kind of was on a character on stage, and like his stage presence was so different than like when you saw him without the cameras rolling. And he was just like on his phone during ad breaks, like wasn't talking to his audience at all. And then Trevor Noah was like asking us questions. He was talking to the audience, taking questions from the audience. He was even like once he like the cameras turned off, he was like talking to us still about like what he was talking about when the cameras were rolling, but like more in depth and like more of his opinions. He's like, yeah, like I just want to know, like, this is what I think, but maybe it's this. Like, I mean, it was just like having a conversation with a bunch of us that were his friends. I don't know, it was really cool. He was super personable, which was nice. But that was a lot of fun. And then I went to a Tiffany event, which was just like kind of looking at all the jewelry at the flagship store, and it was so nice being on Fifth Avenue during Christmas because there was just some like Christmas decorations, and I need to go back there. So one of these episodes is going to be like a Christmas in New York episode, and I'm really excited. I'm going to do all the Christmas things and I'm so excited to film that. But I really hope that you guys did enjoy this vlog. It might have been a little shorter, so I'm sorry about that, but I love you guys. I can't wait for tomorrow, another episode of VLOGMAS, and thanks even for putting up with me like being on my phone. But I will see you guys in tomorrow's episode. I keep saying episode. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and let me know. And I've been having a lot of fun doing this. It's been an adjustment, but tomorrow the Rockefeller tree lights up. I'm so excited. Anyways, I will talk to you guys tomorrow.